Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle Tagusa in Japanese. Yes, in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, August the 16th. 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 2 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the binary. Yes, the binary puzzle. You are interested in this one, and this one will be number, I believe, 6934. Yes, in Japanese, Tagusa. Yes, Tagusa. This one has, before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow! This one is very quick to solve. And I like this one, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.